So we're going to go ahead and do the second proof very much like the way we did the first. We have to write two-column proof. So we're going to have a statement, and we're going to have a reason for each step that we do. And let's go ahead and start by repeating what we're given. 3 times 2x plus 4 equals 2 times 2x minus 9 plus 10. And that is just what we're given. Second step, again in this case, we've got a lot of parentheses we're going to have to distribute. So let's use our distributive property to simplify a little bit. We get 6x plus 12 equals 4x minus 18 plus 10. That was the distributive property. Okay, and at this point, you can do several things. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the subtraction property. I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. That way, I will remove x from the right side of the equation, and I'll be left on the left side with 2x plus 12, and on the right side, I'll be left with negative 18 plus 10. That would be using the subtraction property of equality. Now, you might get away with just combining. We could have just combined this into negative 8 and then said that we were doing simplification as well. You could have then written subtraction property of equality and simplification. Or you could put it into a separate step, combining like terms or simplification. So this would be 2x plus 12 equals negative 8. And we could call this combining like terms, because numbers are like terms, or we could call it simplification. The next thing I would do is to subtract 12 from both sides. I'm sure that's what everyone would do. So that would end up giving us 2x equals negative 20. And that was subtracting something from both sides, so it's the subtraction property of equality, or SPOE. And finally, by dividing both sides by 2, we come to our, what we needed to prove, which was x equals negative 10. And we justify that as the division property of equality. So this is the proof. This is the algebraic proof with statements and reasons. And I think that you probably will have no trouble making sense of this.